Are your legs feeling weak, heavy, or stiff when you wake up? Most seniors think it's just aging, but 99% have no idea the real reason. Scientists have discovered 8 foods that can restore leg strength in just 12 hours. No expensive medicine, no intense workouts. One of them is so powerful, it can increase lower body strength by over 36% in a single day. As we age, leg weakness becomes common. You notice it most in the mornings. Standing up feels hard, climbing stairs is exhausting, and walking feels like a challenge. The good news, your muscles can recover quickly if you eat the right foods. These 8 superfoods help boost blood circulation, reduce inflammation, reactivate dormant muscle fibers, and the best part, you can feel the difference in less than a day. Let's start with the first one. Number 1. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are tiny but mighty. Rich in magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats, they help muscles contract and relax properly. Low magnesium can cause cramps, fatigue, and stiffness. Just 2 tablespoons of soaked pumpkin seeds, blended into a smoothie or sprinkled over oatmeal, can start improving leg strength within hours.
Number 2. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice isn't just a trendy drink. Its anthocyanins reduce inflammation, increase blood flow, and help clear lactic acid that causes stiffness. Studies show seniors drinking 2 servings daily had 23% less muscle pain and stronger quadriceps within 12 hours. Make sure to use 100% unsweetened tart cherry juice, not cocktails, about 6 to 8 ounces in the evening or after activity.
Number 3. Cooked spinach. Spinach is packed with nitrates, magnesium, potassium, and iron, essential for oxygen delivery and muscle contraction. Cooking it enhances nutrient absorption. 1 serving of cooked spinach can improve leg endurance, blood flow, and coordination within 12 hours. Try sautéing it with olive oil and garlic, or adding it to soups and scrambled eggs. Number 4. Lentils. Lentils may seem humble, but they're loaded with slow-digesting carbs, protein, and minerals your legs need. Leucine in lentils triggers muscle rebuilding, stabilizes blood sugar, and improves energy for walking or standing. A cup of cooked lentils at lunch or dinner can recharge your leg muscles overnight. Number 5. Salmon. Salmon is a triple threat: vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and high-quality protein. Together, they reduce inflammation, rebuild muscle fibers, and improve calcium absorption for strong contractions. Seniors eating salmon 3 times a week saw a 24% improvement in leg strength and mobility within 10 days. Prefer wild-caught, baked or grilled with herbs and olive oil.
Number 6. Quinoa. Quinoa is a rare plant-based complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Plus, it delivers magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E. Studies show that just 1 serving improves leg endurance and reduces soreness. Use it with vegetables, eggs, or as a side dish. Energy and coordination improve within hours. Number 7. Beets. Beets are a circulation booster. High in nitrates, they convert to nitric oxide, widening blood vessels and improving oxygen delivery. Seniors drinking beet juice saw 19% faster walking speed and stronger leg performance within hours. Steam, roast, or blend them into a morning smoothie for best results. Number 8.
Bone broth. Bone broth is nutrient-dense, loaded with collagen, gelatin, amino acids, and electrolytes. Glycine and proline support muscle and connective tissue repair. Seniors reported 36% increased leg strength and flexibility within a week. Drink it warm in the morning or after light activity to feel immediate benefits. Morning routine tips. Start with beetroot or tart cherry juice on an empty stomach. Pair protein foods like salmon or bone broth with slow carbs like lentils or quinoa. Drink warm bone broth 20 to 30 minutes after a walk. Eat soaked pumpkin seeds if you have cramps. Add cooked spinach to breakfast for better circulation. Consistency matters. Even small daily changes can rebuild leg strength quickly. These 8 foods are backed by science and can start working in just 12 hours. Leg weakness isn't always aging. Often it's nutrition, circulation, and recovery. Pick one food today and notice the difference tomorrow. Stack them gradually and watch your strength improve step by step. Which of these foods are you most excited to try? Comment below. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Feel Fresh 360 for more science-backed tips to stay strong and independent after 60. Disclaimer: the information in this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new diet, supplement, or exercise routine, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or take medication. Individual results may vary. Remember, aging doesn't mean getting weaker. It's about making smart daily choices.